fall is here. Halloween is around the corner.
And today we're going to work on an easy, family-friendly DIY.
Let's do this.
Can you need some help, Dave? They're so big. For this project, you'll need a few simple, easy materials. A Halloween bucket, Vaseline or cooking spray, a plastic container, mixing spoon and bucket, I can't lift it, and sand mix concrete, water, gloves, and masks. The first step is mixing your sand mix concrete with a little bit of water. You're looking for a yogurt-like substance, not super watery.
Step 2, filling your pumpkin with the cement mix.
Step 3 is adding some nonstick oil to the outside of your plastic container. And step 4 is sticking your plastic container into your pumpkin head.
Step 5, putting something heavy on top of your cup so it doesn't pop out.
And then number 6 is just to sit and wait about 3 days till your concrete is dry.
It's like watching paint dry.
It is like watching paint dry.
Let's go now.
Step 7, now with the magic of editing, we actually have one pre-made 3 days ago that's now nice and hard. So we're going to remove our concrete pumpkin that we created from the plastic outer surface that we've used. Using an X-Acto knife, I'm going to make a couple slits and peel it off.
Oh my
Look!
goodness.
Easy
Dave, come
as a
take a look.
pumpkin. So step 8 is using a little bit of soft grit, 220 grit sandpaper, and giving your pumpkin a light sand. Hey! Perfect for planted mums or candles. Let's add these to the porch, boys.
This was a super fun DIY. If you want to try this with your family at home,
Head to homehardware.ca. Thank you so much to Home Hardware for sponsoring this video. We hope you have a wonderful fall.